Today what we're going to do is we're going to solve multiplying fractions using the array strategy. This is what we've been working on this week, and here's an example from our homework that we completed in class. I'm going to read the question to you. Walter owns 1/3 of a section of land. He plants lettuce on 7/8 of his land. What fraction of the entire section is planted with Walter's lettuce? First thing we have to do is we have to ask, what is the question asking? Well, we want to know how much lettuce is planted on Walter's land. So what we would say is 7/8 lettuce is planted on 1/3 of his land. So what we want to know is, what is 7/8 of 1/3? The first thing that we need to do is we're going to break the array over here into eighths. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And you can see those aren't even, but I tried to do the best that I could, and that's what we want the students to do. So we've broken that up into eighths, and we want to do 7/8. So I'm going to label this as 1/8, and then there's 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, and 1/8. If I count those are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7/8. So I'm going to draw a box around that, so I know that that's 7/8. That represents 7/8. Then, horizontally, I'm going to break that into thirds. So here, and we have broken that up into thirds, and then I'm going to label that 1/3. So there is that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade in all the sections that I have a box around the fraction. So I'm going to shade this in just right here like this. And that section right there represents lettuce that is going to be planted on Walter's property. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and label that as 1/24, 1/24, 1/24, 1/24, 1/24, 1/24, and 1/24. So what that equals is, that equals 7/24. I know that's going to be my final product. One way that I can do this is I know that I have 24 boxes here. So the students can count that, and they can say, well, I have 7 out of the 24 boxes filled. Another thing that I want them to do is whenever they're finished, I want them to rewrite 7/8 of 1/3. So we're going to write that as 7/8 times 1/3. I'm going to multiply the numerators. 7 times 1 is 7. Then I'm going to multiply the denominators. 8 times 3 is 24. You can see that whenever I multiply across, it equals the same amount that we have shaded in. Therefore, we know that we have the correct product. I look forward to you working with your child on this strategy. It's a great strategy to use, and it's a great strategy to make sure that you're multiplying fractions correctly. Have a great day.